So you may or may not know I'm a design build contractor, and one thing I do is take my laptop out to the job to help make it easier on my framers and electricians and plumbers and siding guys and all those guys who help us get things done. And so my keyboard gets really dirty. Now, I'm not gonna lie, some of this might be pizza crumbs, but most of it's sawdust. And what will happen is it'll get under the keys, like the E right now. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And see, I'm thinking there's crud under there. So what I bought was one of these cute little, I'm gonna call it a keyboard vacuum cleaner, but these things always are hilarious when you get the box. You start reading it, suction strong. Anyway, this is it. Not much. I'll put a link in the description. This will be another one of our little Amazon reviews. It's just a mini vacuum cleaner. Let's see how she starts up. Sounds like a jet engine starting out. Let's see, where's my little attachments? Let me get these on there. Start your engines. I noticed it came with an extra little filter. Let's see, open. Let's see how much junk we got in there. Pretty good. Well, that's pretty cool. All that stuff came out from my keyboard. Just where the little filter goes. Oh, wow. Holy cow. Look at that fine dust. That's interesting. Look at the color of that dust. That's odd. Anyway, guys, I just want to wish everybody Merry Christmas and trying to get cleaned up for guests for Christmas Day tomorrow. And as you can see, I still have a lot of junk to clean off my desk, but now my keyboard's clean. Merry Christmas.